Jai Hind class. Today we are going to study the chapter The Thakur's Well, written by Premchand. Now Premchand was a prolific writer. In earlier times he used to write in Urdu as well as Hindi, and this story was originally written in Hindi and later translated into English. So it basically talks about the caste system that was prevalent in rural India in those times, 19th century, 20th century, and the people, they were divided into high caste and the lower caste. So the high caste people were very particular that they would not eat anything, touch anything, will not drink anything that has been touched by the lower caste people. And the areas in which they lived were also separate. The lower caste people used to live on the other side of the village, and the higher caste people used to live on the other end of the village. So in this story, what happens? There is a couple who is a low caste couple, and the husband is really ill, and he needs some water to drink. So he's drinking the dirty water, the unhygienic water. So what used to happen that these lower caste people really had to live in very bad conditions. They did not even have access to pure water because the wells that were there in the village, they belonged to the higher caste people, and the lower caste people were not even allowed to go near those wells because they will be polluted. This was the thinking of the higher caste people. So he was drinking that unpure water, but his wife, was very worried that if he's already so ill and if he would drink that dirty water, he'll get more ill, maybe he'll die. So what she does, she tells this plan to her husband that I will go to the Thakur's well and I'll bring some water from there for you, and no one is going to know because it's night time. Now the husband was really scared. He doesn't like the idea. He says that no, I'll not let you go. But still, after so much insistence, the wife still goes, and she goes near the well. And when she was drawing water from that well, Thakur suddenly came out the house, and he saw that yeah, there was someone who was drawing water from the well. So in panic mode, the this wife, she drops her pot in which she was bringing the water, and the rope also, it all fell into the water. And when she comes back home, she sees that this her husband is already drinking that dirty water. So all her hard work, all that trouble that she took to get pure water, it all went in vain because her husband was still drinking the dirty water. Maybe that was their destiny. He had accepted that it was their destiny that they will not get clean water. It was in their destiny that they will be subjected to the tantrums of this higher caste people. They will not let them live. But these things are in the past now. The story is kind of dated because things are really changing in India. The difference between higher caste, lower caste, the caste system has been abolished. So change is happening. So this was a story. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.